Today, I'm giving you a quick but complete look at one of the most feature-packed flagships of 2025, the Realme GT8 Pro. And trust me, this phone is full of surprises. Let's start with the design. The GT8 Pro comes with a premium aluminum frame, Gorilla Glass 7i protection, IP68/IP69 ratings, and two back options: fiber-reinforced plastic or eco-leather. But the most unique thing? This is the world's first smartphone with a switchable camera bump. You can unscrew it and swap between round, square, or colorful modules. Realme actually made changing your camera design a thing. Insane! Now, the display? This is a monster. 6.79-inch AMOLED, 144 Hz refresh rate, HDR10+, HDR Vivid, and Dolby Vision, and a jaw-dropping 7,000 nits peak brightness. Whether you're outdoors, gaming, or watching HDR content, this is easily one of the brightest and sharpest displays on any phone right now. Performance. Under the hood, the GT8 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, built on the 3nm process. You get up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB storage with UFS 4.1. Benchmarks speak for themselves. Antutu, 3.87 million. Geekbench, 10,694. 3DMark, 7,509. This is peak 2025 flagship performance. Buttery smooth gaming, zero lag, and blazing fast app launches. The camera setup is equally impressive. 50-megapixel main with OIS. 200-megapixel Periscope telephoto with 3x optical zoom. 50-megapixel ultra-wide. Ricoh lens support, color spectrum sensor, and full HDR imaging. For video, 8K at 30 FPS, 4K up to 120 FPS, 10-bit log, HDR, and Dolby Vision, perfect for content creators. Selfie camera, a 32-megapixel shooter with 4K 60 FPS and gyro EIS, super stable and sharp. Battery and charging. The GT8 Pro packs a massive 7,000 mAh battery and still manages to stay sleek. Charging is ridiculously fast, 120 watts wired, 0 to 100% in 43 minutes, 50 watts wireless, full in 79 minutes. It also supports reverse wired and wireless charging. Active use time? 20 hours and 24 minutes. Excellent for power users. You also get stereo speakers with high-res audio, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, full global GPS plus Navic, infrared blaster, under-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, NSC with 360 degrees detection. All of this starts at around €720. Incredible value for a 2025 flagship. Closing. So that's the Realme GT8 Pro, a phone with insane performance, a record